BDR has introduced an initiative called Right, which is a great program to encourage riders to stay to the right of the tracks. When you don't see through the turn, best practice is to stay to the right when in question, or all the time if you can.
And that's really critical on any BDR or anytime you're riding in the forest, but especially in Pennsylvania. There are a lot of very narrow roads and there's traffic out here. As we saw today, there was a number of like full-size dump trucks that were on the road where it was barely passable. And fortunately, we were all riding on the right-hand side. We could see them and pass safely. But if we were diving into corners and one of those things was there, it would be, you know, an end of your trip and possibly worse. So always ride right, especially if you can't see clearly ahead. If everybody does that, it'll be a safer place riding out here in the forest.